Question 5. So Michael is training for a triathlon. He buys energy gels to take during his training. His energy gels cost €2.15 each. He spends €34.40 on energy gels each month. So find the number of energy gels he buys each month. Well, it's costing €34.40 altogether, and they cost €2.15 each. So I'm going to divide. So €34.40 divided by €2.15, and that gives you 16. That means that he buys 16 gels. Part B, Michael gets the following training sessions from his coach. So he must run 800 metres slowly to warm up. He must run the 5 sprints below. Run 50 metres slowly between each 2 sprints. So that's plus 50. And then he runs 800 metres slowly to warm down. So find the total distance Michael will run during his training session, including both sprints and running slowly. So he starts off with 800, then he does 100, add 200, add 400, add 200, add 100, and then he does those 4 50s, so that's 200, and then he runs the 800 at the end as well. Okay, so add them all together. So 800, add 100, add 200, add 400, add 200, add 100, add 200, add 800. Okay, so that's a total of 2,800, and that's 2,800 meters. Okay, part C then. Michael burns 200 calories each time he swims for 30 minutes. Finds how many minutes he must swim in order to burn 500 calories. So 200 calories in 30 minutes. So that means that 400 calories would be 60 minutes or an hour. Okay, so you're up to 400. You want to get 100. So 100 must be half of 30. So it must be 15 minutes. So that means that in order to get 500, it would be these two here. So 60 add 15, so that's for 75 minutes. Part D, write the correct unit next to each measurement in the table below. Use meters, meters squared, or meters cubed. So the length of a swimming pool. So a swimming pool is just a length, so it's a one dimension. So that's in meters. The volume of a swimming pool is a 3D shape because it's like a cuboid. So that's going to be in meters cubed. The area of the bottom of a swimming pool. So the area is now a 2D shape, so it's like a rectangle. So that's going to be in meters squared. And then the width of a swimming pool is a one dimension, so that's in meters. So Tara had a gross income of $27,750 in 2015. Tara paid tax at a rate of 20% in 2015. Find Tara's gross tax for 2015. So you're just finding 20% of 27,750. So 27,750 multiplied by 20%. So I just did multiply and then 20 and then shift and then answer equals 5,550. So that's her gross tax. Okay, but Tara had a tax credit of 3,300 in 2015. So find Tara's net income. So if her gross tax is 5,550, the government will give her a relief of 3,300 from her gross tax. So when you do 5,550 minus your 3,300, you end up with 2,250. So that's her tax payable. So that's how much tax she actually pays. So to find her net income, which is after tax, you just have to take away the tax payable from her gross income. So 27,750 minus 2,250. So type that in. and you end up with 25,500. So 27,750 minus 2,250, which is our tax payable. For part G then, so name one deduction other than income tax that would have been taken from Tara's gross income in 2015. Well, there could have been USC, which is another tax. There could have been PRSI, or we don't know how old Tara is. Maybe there was a pension, or maybe there was a union fee. Any of those will be accepted.